my friend, how's it going?
Yeah, not too bad. Also, you have a music video tonight and you need your Rolls Royce cleaned. As a matter of fact, it's your lucky day today. Somebody just cancelled and we can be with you shortly. We just need to finish up a car and we'll be there soon.
Okay chaps, let's finish off this supercar and then head off to the next one. So chaps, a rapper called Digga D has a music video tonight and we need to get the Rolls Royce cleaned up and ready for the shoot. So let's waste no time and make our way there now. Hello chaps, we've just arrived and this is the car we're going to be working on. Let's have a look at the condition of the car. As you can see, this Rolls Royce Cullinan is not in the best of conditions as it is covered in a light layer of dirt. The interior is also in need of some work too, as it has its fair share of dust, dirt and fingerprint marks. So as you saw chaps, this car definitely needs a good clean to get it ready for that music video. So let's get started on these wheels. After pressure washing the wheels, I sprayed them with wheel cleaner. I then agitate and remove the dirt and brake dust. Time for the blue snow foam. Look at how beautiful that looks. Be sure to subscribe if you're enjoying this. I now leave the blue snow foam on the Rolls Royce to loosen and bring that dirt down. Let's perform the pressure wash. comment below which coloured snow foam you would like to see us do next. Now we hand wash the Rolls Royce Cullinan with my wash mitts from top to bottom. This car belongs to Medina Executive Travels. If you'd like to rent this luxury car, then be sure to contact them. I now use a Tino detailing brush to get into the finer details. The lower portions are cleaned last with a different set of mitts. Let's remove the shampoo.
Time for the Tino Ceramic Snow Foam.
The Tino Ceramic Snow Foam is revolutionary as it allows you to add ceramic protection to your car with absolute ease. Keep your eyes peeled on tinocarcare.com to get your bottle of Tino Ceramic Snow Foam, as it will be back in stock soon as they sell out pretty fast. All you have to do is spray it on and rinse it off, and that'll give you up to 2 months of protection. Have a look at that amazing water beading.
If you've been enjoying this, be sure to like, comment and subscribe.
I now dry the Rolls Royce Cullinan with a microfiber drying towel. The air blower removes the water from the small gaps and corners of the car, preventing the water drips later on. This video is sponsored by Turbo Watches, which has been inspired by your favorite cars. Not only do they look extremely good, each Turbo Watch has a 360 wheel rotation. Honestly, one of the coolest watches I have ever seen. Be sure to get your hands on one at turbowatches.shop. Let's now clean the glass using our glass cleaner and a glass cloth. Time to clean the interior as I first dust down the upper surfaces before vacuum cleaning the carpets. These Rolls Royce carpets are very plush and luxurious, however they are quite challenging to clean. This is because dirt and debris sinks to the bottom of the carpet fibres. Be sure to give this video a like. I now move on to clean the rest of the interior using the Tino interior detailer, which will be available to buy soon. I also use a cloth and scrub pad which safely gives the Rolls Royce surfaces a deep clean. Now the door shuts are cleaned up using our interior detailer and all-purpose cloth. The exterior detailer is now used to give that amazing shine and extra protection. Time to shine and protect the tires.
So the Tino air freshener completes the wash. If you'd like to get your hands on one of them, make an order on our website as you'll be getting one for free. Here are your results. Enjoy.
Check out that beautiful shine. The interior has been brought back to that factory finish. This Rolls Royce is looking fresh and ready for the music video, so let's take it there now. Riding in this Rolls Royce is just so smooth, it feels like you're floating as you glide past. It is an extremely luxury experience and very relaxing, especially with the starlight roof. We've just arrived to the music shoot. Comment below if you know the name of this song. Okay chaps, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and here are 2 more videos I think you'd like.